Hey guys, so let's configure the EIGRP routing. So for that, I'm going to configure the EIGRP routing between two routers. So for that, we have to take the two routers. That is, I'm going to take 2811 series two routers. And since I wanted to connect these two routers via serial DC cable, so for that we have to first configure the serial port. So add the serial port like that way. Now you can connect the uh, routers via this cable. Now let's connect a PC to it. So for that I'm going to place a switch. If you are in hurry, then you can also use this method to connect to the cable without selecting any specific cable. It will automatically select the right cable for you, right? So let's configure the IP. So first I'm going to assign for this. I'm going to use dot one here, and this will be the default gateway, and the IP will be 192.168.1.2. For that I'm going to take 168.2.0 network. So for that the IP will be 2.1, and for this the IP will be 2.2. So let's configure the IP default gateway for the PC first. So for this 192.168, make that copy, dot one dot two dot one dot one. This is the default gateway. Dot two dot two dot. So let's configure the IP for this port and this port. So let's start with the router 0. Go to the global config mode, select the port S0/0. This is the serial port. So assign the IP like this 10.0.0.1, and the default gateway will be subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. Since I'm using 10.0.0.0/8 network, so make the port up. Oh sorry, it was already up. Now select the port FA00 and add the network. So for this is the IP address or subnet mask. Make that port up. You can see this port has been done, and this also gonna turn into the green when this port will be up. So let's configure the port here also. Go to the global config, select the port, add the IP 10.0.0.2, subnet mask, no shut. Now select the port FA0, IP add 192.168.2.1, and the subnet mask will be this. Make that port up. So now you can see the ports has been up. Let's fast forward so that it could be turned on ASAP. Now let's configure the EIGRP routing. So without routing, when you trying to uh, ping this PC, this going to show that destination host is unreachable. So let's check it. 192.168.2.2. See what it is showing. So let's configure the routing. Go to the global config. Now hit this command router EIGRP1. So 1 is the autonomous number. You can use it between 1 to 65535, and this number should be same on the other router also, between which you are trying to perform the routing, right? So I'm going to use 1. So let's add the network. Here you have to add the network ID, not the host. So at the router one, you can see that there is two network, that is a 10.0.0.0, and this one is 192.168.1.0 network, right? And you can also enter the wildcard mask here. So for that, wildcard mask will be 255.255.255, and let's add the other network 192.168.1.0, and for this wildcard mask will be like this, right? Save this. Now configure the right routing from here also. Now I'm going to add the network like this here without wildcard mask, right? See this message, serial 000 is up, and there is a new adsense found, that is 10.0.0.1. Now let's add the other network and WR. Now you can also check the routing table and verify that whether the EIG RP routing has been established or not. So for that, you can issue this command ship route, and you can see all the network IDs has been known by this router, that is 10.0.0, 192.168.1.0 and 2.0. And you can also see this AD value. So you might known about the EIGRP, that EIGRP has a administrative distance value of 90. So you can verify this. Now let's ping the PCs once again. At first it will show that can't reach, yeah, request timed out, and then after it will show the pinging, that it is getting the response. And when you ping the again, then you will not able to see the error. Now let's ping from this PC also. So ping 192.168.2.1.2. So guys, now you can see that EIGRP routing has been formed between these two routers. And if you have any doubt and want any clarification, then you can comment. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.